before I had, I had like $20,000 just to come here and visit for 3 months. I made that last for 2.5 years.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to dance louder by Kelly. And you might get some ideas and what that. So, dancing. Okay. But now it's happening like a feast day. But back in that time when I was just 5, 6 years old, 8 years, that man was like, that's what the welfare people do. You know? And if they really poor, you got the hands and neck and the knees. Pressure with it, the whole bones and everything, the bones. And as you see out the rough cut and the rough one, the rough one, see out that feather. You can't get all of them. It's a shotgun. There's like thousands of pellets flying through the air. They spread out, and they might, if you feed it to a flock of ducks, you can get like 5 or 10 ducks in one shot. You know? And I want you to spend a lot of time to do some ambulance. Instead of go scared ducks. Bring all the 5 or 6 ducks in. And then by summer, we let them live on the beach. And you just watch the mussels and the crabs and whatever they get, near the beach. That's why I don't want to exercise and sleep on the meat house, because when I was little, I had to sleep on the meat house every day. Thanks for watching. I really, had hard work thinking all about that, by myself, no helping or anything. Please send a comment below if you like it or not. What is the feedback? Because that little kids might see it and they might copy. So thanks for watching.